Of course, a D-Day for the Congress. Today, Congress's nominee, meanwhile, Jaiprakash has said that it is going to be an extremely tough and well-fought-out contest in that Hisar by-poll.
तो ऐसा है, टफ फाइट है और टफ फाइट में जब तक नो की नो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का कंपाइल नहीं होता तब तक आगे पीछे का कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता। नहीं, अन्ना हजारे जी के यहाँ उसकी केजरीवाल के आने से कोई लंबा चौड़ा फर्क नहीं पड़ा। वो रिजल्ट बताएगा ना, अभी थोड़ी देर बाद आपके सामने आ जाएगा कितना असर उनकी कॉल का। नहीं, ऐसा ठीक नहीं था, क्योंकि अन्ना जी का जो मूवमेंट था वो था भ्रष्टाचारियों के खिलाफ, और जो मेरे सामने दोनों उम्मीदवार दोनों भ्रष्टाचारी हैं और भ्रष्टाचारियों के पक्ष में कॉल करना बुरी बात थी।
रुझान तो शुरू हो चुका है। पहले राउंड का लगभग रिजल्ट आने को है और 1700 वोट की लीड मेरी फर्स्ट राउंड में यहाँ से है। बाकी अब मैं बाकी जगह जाता हूँ, देखता हूँ, ये अब बढ़त तो लगातार बढ़ती जाएगी। तो मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था, अब तो सिर्फ गिन के रिजल्ट अनाउंस करना है। जीत तो मैं चुका हूँ।
ने जो यहाँ पर कैंपेन करा था उसका क्या असर होगा, आपको क्या लगता है?
हर चीज का असर होता है, निश्चित तौर पर उसका भी मुझे लाभ मिलेगा।
Reason that you're attributing to your entry, which has not happened yet, but it looks like you'll be the winner here.
If I win with God's grace, then it will be basically because of my father's family track record that we have done a lot for Hisar, and number two, because of the BJP HJC alliance. Third, people see open possibility in me.
What about Team Anna's, protest here? Clearly, CDs that were distributed here saying that you should not vote for Congress. Do you think that has helped you, or do you think just the fact that you're Bhajan Lal's son, that is why you'll be winning here, or you've had that clout here?
Yeah, no, it's Team Anna didn't help me at all, frankly, because they only believed in negative politics. Like, they said that don't vote for Congress. They didn't ask for vote for me or any other candidate. They said vote for any other 39 candidate. I respect Anna, I respect him, I respect his cause, I support his cause. It's a good cause. Anybody who fights corruption, I am with him. But they should have said, they have to decide, are they against Congress party or are they against corrupt people as well? If they are against corrupt people as well, then they should have asked not to vote for Ajay also, because Ajay was charged on 23rd September. They said vote for anybody but Congress. That was negative asking vote.
You don't feel the Team Anna has any
because they came in the last 4 or 5 days when the election was already over. Like, more or less people had decided whom to vote for. It didn't really matter.
Last question. You want to say anything to the people of Haryana and Hisar who have voted here right now? And, after your father's death, what kind of things are you looking for to do here in this particular constituency?
A lot has to be done. I can't specify anything because in the last 16 years since my father left as the Chief Minister of Haryana, nothing has been done in this part of Haryana. A lot has to be done and I'll do it.
Well, Shamsher now joins us from Hisar. Shamsher, we just heard all the three candidates there talking about how they're extremely confident, but any leads coming in yet?
Absolutely, Nupur. Kuldeep Bishnoi is maintaining his lead, though in the rural areas there are 9 assembly constituencies, assembly segments where the counting is happening, and in the rural areas INLD is leading, but because of the comprehensive lead that Kuldeep Bishnoi has in urban areas, he is leading. He is at number 1 by a few thousand votes. He is leading, and on number 2 is INLD candidate Ajay Chautala, and the Congress candidate is number 3 among the 3 main contenders. He's the last. Though when we spoke to him, he sounded confident, but he said that it is going to be a tough fight, and nothing could be said until the result of all the 9 assembly segments was compiled. Ajay Chautala, on the other hand, he said that he was going to win. He said he was very confident, and people of Hisar would vote him in. But Kuldeep Bishnoi, riding on the sympathy wave that Hisar had for his father. His father had been 2 times Chief Minister of Haryana, and he was a very strong He was a very strong man here in Hisar. The seat was with Bhajan Lal, so everything was going in favor of Kuldeep Bishnoi as far as Hisar Assembly, the city was concerned. So at the moment, because of the huge margin that he has here in the city, as of now, Kuldeep Bishnoi is leading this race.
Right, Shamsher, we just heard Kuldeep Bishnoi over there talking about the fact that Anna Hazare, the factor of Anna Hazare hasn't really played in those elections now. But how do you see it? Do you think it has swayed the electorate?
Well, when he said that, because Anna Hazare's team did not specify any one candidate, that led to some confusion. We saw a lot of people asking questions to Arvind Kejriwal as to if not Congress, who should they vote for? So there was some confusion, but an apparent choice for, Anna Hazare's followers, people who must have been influenced by Anna Hazare's campaign here, was Kuldeep Bishnoi because of, one pending charge sheet against Ajay Chautala here, and a lot of people had problems with JP. Anna Hazare's the campaign was altogether against the Congress candidate. So an apparent choice for them was Kuldeep Bishnoi. And Kuldeep Bishnoi, while he was campaigning here till the last day of the campaign, had been telling people that, yes, that Anna Hazare's team is campaigning actually for him, and they are insinuating that people should vote for him. But this is a sudden, realization because of which Kuldeep Bishnoi is saying that Anna factor has not worked in his favor because they did not specify. So there must be reasons that Kuldeep would have had because of which he's making such statements. But I spoke to him on the last day of election, and he clearly told me that Anna's people are actually, going to benefit him.